Hello, my name is Abe Mashni. I'm a criminal defense attorney here in Lexington, Kentucky, and today we're going to be talking about Zoom court. And so, COVID has changed the way that we practice law. Instead of going from courthouse to courthouse or courtroom to courtroom, we're spending a lot of time in front of our screens waiting for cases to be called on Zoom. Zoom court has become mandatory in Kentucky. And so there's no in-person court because of COVID. And so for now until the foreseeable future, all court is going to be virtually on Zoom. So with that said, here's a few suggestions to make things go as smooth as possible. First, if you have not used Zoom before, or if you've never downloaded the app, do so beforehand. We've got a specialist in-house to help you walk through that process, to download it, make sure your name is correct, make sure you know how to use the mute and the video functions, just to make things go as smooth as possible. Do a practice run. And number two, make sure you're in an appropriate place. And so what I mean by that is you should not be in bed. You should not be in a workplace where it's really loud. You need to be in a place where the judge can hear you and it's quiet. And so number three, wear appropriate clothing. Act like you're in court. Act like to show the court respect, it's going to make you look good. Dress up and don't be in your pajamas or anything like that. So dress appropriately while you're on Zoom court. 4, make sure that you are on mute if your case is not being called. That nothing is making judges madder than people having conversations, yelling, or basically having complete disregard to being on mute. It makes things go slower, it makes the dockets go longer. And so please, please, please stay on mute until your case is called. 5, don't smoke while you're on Zoom. Just don't. Act like you're in court. You can't smoke in court, so don't smoke there. I've seen judges get really mad at people walking down the street on Zoom while their case is being called, smoking. Just don't do it. And finally, don't drive while being in court on Zoom. And so I've seen judges that make people pull over and refuse to call their case before while they're driving. So just don't do it. I hope this helps. If you have any questions about Zoom court whatsoever, please feel free to give us a call at 859-259-0727. And as always, thanks for watching.